welcome to my YouTube channel. Alright, today I'm going to teach you how to sew zip, how to sew your zip, attach your zip to the front side of your trouser. So here I have basically 8 1/4, and so for my trouser, where I'll fix the zip into, I will have to notch at 7 1/4. There will be 1 inch difference. And so this is the front side, this is the front side, and this is the zip part. This is also the front side, this is the right side, this is the left side front of your trouser. And so all I need to do is to measure them together. Right side against right side of the fabric. Okay, as you can see. Right, this is the wrong side, this is the wrong side, and so you make sure that both are in alignment. And so what we need to do is you measure 7 1/4. This is 7 1/4, and you notch. This is 7 1/4. So you notch. Make sure they are aligned together. 7 1/4. So you notch. And notching shouldn't be more than 1/4. 1/4 of an inch. Okay, this we do. And so for the right hand side, okay, for the right hand side we're going to make use of this. This is for the right hand side. And so the first thing is your zip. This is your zip here. Okay, then note where you marked where you notched the other time. This is where we notched the other time, and so we actually, it will be 1 inch. We said 1 inch, so this is 1 inch, right? 1 inch should be 1 inch from here to here. Where you notch to the down part should be 1 inch, and then you place this okay, on top of the zip. So all you need to do, take it to the machine and make sure it's in alignment with the zip or the zipper and the front trouser piece. Alright, make sure they are in alignment while sewing. Your neat finishing matters, and your fitting as well matters. Okay, consistency makes you perfect in a particular thing. Okay, consistent. And so you turn it the other way around. Just watch me closely, and then you top stitch. Where you notched the other time, and so you are through with the right hand side of the zip. And then for the left side, this is the left side. Okay, this is the left side of the front. We'll make use of this. Okay, this is where our interface, our paper gonna stay is, and so you place it right side to right side, and then you sew from where you notch. Start from where you notch. Sew with 1/4 stitch. And then you turn it this way, you top stitch it. Very important. Top stitching is very important here. Also, this is the right hand side of the trouser, front trouser. This is the left hand side. So you place it on top, and then you see where we top stitch. Where we top stitch, okay, where we top stitch here should be in alignment with here, the edge of this. And so what we'll do, take it to the edge, the upper part equal, all right, and then we'll bring it to our machine. Don't forget. And then this is where we notched the other time, and so we'll place it here. Okay, make sure they are equal, all right, and then you stitch right where you notched. Okay, that's why we notched it. If you are getting value from my video, please don't forget to click on the like button. Click on the like button. If you have not subscribed, you are new to my channel, please subscribe, and don't forget to share this video. Share this video on your social media platform. And so after doing that, cut all the, like I said, neat finishing is still the best. Okay, makes your work stand out. When you have a neat finishing, you can actually cost your sewing. Okay, you cost your sewing when your clients know that your work is neat and fitted, okay, according to the way he or she wants it. And then you see they'll be happy to deliver, give you the financial to pay you off. They'll be happy to pay you off. Right, so what we need to do now, I've turned it. It was like this. I now turned it like this, the other way around. Okay, now watch. I bring this way, and this way. Don't forget, we said this should be, this here should be in alignment with this, so it is. And then I flip this. Okay, I flip that, leaving this down, and then I'll top stitch it. I'll stick this to the flyer there. Don't forget, this is Duke's signature. stitch both offline. So we double stitch it. This part is double stitch. After double stitching, okay, and then you can see this is how it looks like. All right, so what we need to do is you can take it to the iron and iron it properly. Okay, take it to the iron and you iron it properly to fit in. All right, so because of tutorial sake I won't do that. So what we need to do is you bring this down first. Okay, you bring it down and then we sew. Close to it, you bend it, and then you take these up. Okay, after taking it up, then you make sure this other part is neat, this part. Okay, okay, you have to be careful there because of the aluminum that is there. Okay, you can see now that my needle is out. Okay, it cuts or bring short my needle. So, Yeah, the issue of hair will be solved when you iron. Okay, once you iron it, you see it to be smooth. Right, you iron to make it smooth. Alright, I'll take it to the iron now. Alright, as you can see, take it to the iron and it's a little bit okay. Alright, if this video has been of help to you, please don't forget to click on the like and share this video with others. If you have not subscribed, please click on subscribe. For my old subscribers, thank you for being there. See you in our next video. Bye bye.